This demonstration showcases a dual HPM and a single SEM LTPI solution powered by a Lattice X03 device. It highlights how slow speed data such as GPIO, UART, and I2C can be efficiently be aggregated from a single SEM, typically an embedded DC SEM module, to two HPM CPLD using the LTPI protocol. On this screen, user can monitor real-time link status of the HPM. Additionally, temperature and humidity sensors located on the HPM are accessed via I2C, demonstrating its robust environmental monitoring capabilities. Each LTPI link operates independently, ensuring that when one HPM connects, its CPLD remains fully active and unaffected. Even before automatic link reestablish ensures seamless reconnection when the second HPM becomes active again, delivering resilient plug-and-play connectivity for modern server environment.